Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day today. I have another video, really a part 2 we can say, of yesterday's video. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, I did a video. It's almost like a part 2 of another video. I do a lot of part 2s. Yesterday's video, I went on Instagram and I checked out a lot of sponsored Instagram posts that you will probably see when you're on your IG story or even on your main page when you're scrolling up the IG timeline. You might see like a lot of different stores or just a lot of different websites or IG pages that sponsor. They pay like the sponsored ad and they can get on your timeline and advertise their product. I knew a lot of people always wondered, are these stores even good? Are they worth buying from? And it's everything from sneakers to clothing to even accessories. So it's a lot of different options. So yesterday I unboxed a pair of sneakers I got from an Instagram ad, and I ain't gonna lie, I knew it was kind of suspicious from the jump. The pair of sneakers that I bought, right here, a pair of off-white sneakers. Now, we all know that off-white might be one of the most popular, one of the most, I would say, overpriced sneakers in the sneaker community as of today. So when I seen it at the low price point, I kind of already knew that it was something tweaking about it. You know what I'm saying? I kind of knew it. But what threw me for a loop was what I found inside. Yo guys, before we get the video started, I wanted to tell you, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are linked down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know whenever I'm putting out this great content, because I drop a video at least about 5 to 6 days a week. You want to make sure you're on top of that. Nothing but bangers this way. So we got the shoe right here. We got the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. Okay, world renowned. Okay, there we go, focus. This sneaker has to be one of the most popular, in my opinion. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. This is the most popular Air Jordan 1 off-white. I know they got the European, they got the UNC, they got this pair. They're probably gonna drop more. I've seen pictures of like the canary yellow. Look, this is the one. This is the original 10. The original 10 was the first original off-white with the Prestos, with the Vapor Max, with the Jordan 1s, with just about everything. And that's a huge reason why this has the highest resale value. I think this is almost $2,000 to $3,000. Very, very limited and also a very, very expensive shoe, to say the least. All right, to say the least. The whole purpose of the video was to see if it was worth buying or not. Turned out to be a scam, all right? That's not the point. We got a fake Air Jordan off-white here. This Jordan is not legit. It's not real at all. I can tell from the glue smell, the oversized tongue. We know it's fake, okay? That's not the kicker. The kicker is what I found inside the box. Are y'all ready for this? Man, look at this. I found a StockX paper in here with the autograph on the bottom corner of the paper, bruh. With StockX label, okay? StockX label. Let me flip it around for y'all, bro. This is actual StockX material. Also, I found the StockX sticker they give you whenever you buy from StockX. So they took it a step further to having the sticker inside the box. And last but not least, the final step, I got the StockX authentic tag on these joints, bruh. Are you serious? So it is safe to say that people are really finessing to the point where they're putting StockX valuables inside of fake shoes. So it's safe to say that StockX is actually being scammed out here, okay? People are actually putting StockX tags, StockX receipts, StockX stickers in fake shoe boxes. This is a big deal. I ain't gonna hold you. It's a huge deal. Now, a lot of y'all probably wondering, why is this such a big deal? And the reason is because StockX has made its name and built a brand based off having a sneaker company that ensures that what you buy is not fake. I mean, the slogan is really always available, always authentic or something like that. So they're literally telling you always real when they come from us. And when you have companies, these out-of-town companies or out-of-state, out-of-country stores that are out here selling these StockX tags are part of fake shoes, it's bad for us. The reason why I want to do this breakdown and comparison is because a lot of y'all can get finessed and ripped over, because I'm not a bad guy, okay? I will never sell a shoe off as real. But it's a lot of people out here that probably buy sneakers in bulk, get these StockX stickers or StockX tags, put them on sneakers and sell it to you. Now, your first start is, wow, it got the StockX card, it got the StockX sticker, and it has the StockX tag inside the shoe. You know, a person can be like, hey bro, I kept everything, you know, I never worn it, it's DS, I still got the StockX stuff inside. For the common person who don't know they make fake StockX tags and the StockX accessories, you're gonna buy that shoe for what it's worth. And I'll be damned if I allow y'all to spend $3,000 to $2,500 on a fake pair of sneakers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video helps. But with all that being said, let's get down to the nitty gritty, bro. Let's figure out how these are the fugazis, the foo-foos, the nose, bro, the bobos, the fakes. Well, first off, what we're gonna do is look at this Air Jordan 1 that I got recently that's fake, okay? I told you guys, the glue, automatically fake. I can smell it. For some reason, whenever you have fake sneakers, man, that glue is so, you catch it, it's so strong, man. Like, whatever glue they're using is not the right glue. Second of all, this tongue is huge. We all know the Air Jordan 1s have huge tongues, but especially when they're not laced, but this tongue is way bigger than any Jordan 1 I've ever seen. That's a dead giveaway. Last but not least, man, do you see how small this zip tie is? I got real off-whites behind me. I'll show you the difference in the zip tie real quick. Quick example, look at the off-white Zoom Fly. Look how long this zip tie is, bro. You see how long this zip tie is? It's a very big difference between this zip tie and this zip tie, okay? It stops right here. And even if I pull this to make it a little bit longer, it still will stop way shorter than this zip tie. Reason being is because the zip tie is fake. Now, even though I don't have an original off-white Jordan 1 to compare it to, I'm pretty sure if I actually look at the writing on the side, like the actual text on the side, it'll be completely different. I already know it would be. I'm also guaranteeing that if I take a look at this Air Jordan wing that's on a heel, if I was to compare that to the real Air Jordan 1, it would be a complete difference in the sizing and probably even the position of the Air Jordan wing on the side. But since we have none of those to compare it to, I'm just gonna simply compare and contrast the fake StockX authenticity stuff that it came with. I'm gonna cut this off. This is a real StockX authentic tag, right? That's a fake one. So I'm gonna cut this off because I don't even wear this on my shoes anyway. I just didn't get a chance to cut it. And now here we have an actual real authentic StockX tag and we have a fake one. This is a dead giveaway, but you wouldn't know if you didn't have one or the other. Let's say if you never bought from StockX before, or if you never kept your tags, you really wouldn't know the difference. But seeing that I have a real one and a fake one, I'm gonna show y'all the difference, okay? So here we have it. Two StockX tags, one is legit and one is fake. I'm gonna go ahead and ask y'all which one is real, which one is fake. Let me see if y'all get it right. 3, 2, 1. This one is the real one. As you can see, it's complete different text font on the one here than the one here. That's a dead giveaway. If you even look at the size, look at the size. This one is a little bit bigger, actually way bigger, way thicker as well. This one is a lot more skinny, a lot more thin. This one is a lot thicker. It's a little bit heavier too. Another dead giveaway when it comes to these is the back of the StockX tag as well. But you can easily see like how bold the font is and how skinny the font is here. It's an easy giveaway. Next up, we got the back of the StockX tag. This is what you would scan to verify that it's real or not, all types of stuff like that. You can obviously see that this one is a lot darker. This one is a lot lighter. The reason being, this back StockX tag is more like a silver chrome look, and this is completely digital black. This is fake. 100% fake. You can easily tell if you had the real one here. You can also tell by the font around the circle. Look at the font around on this one, the real one, and the font around this one, the fake one. This is a lot more whiter. You see like the whiter around here? It's a lot more bold. This one is a lot more skinny, a lot more black. You can barely see the words on here. You can definitely see the words on here. Those are like two of the biggest. Besides the weight, the color, this one is a lot more green than this one. This is a darker green. This is more like a lighter green. So you can obviously see that there's a huge difference in the StockX tag. That's mainly what I had to attack it with because I don't really have another Air Jordan 1 to compare it to. But I just know for a fact they are definitely selling fake StockX tags along fake sneakers. And I know for a fact a lot of people who don't really do this for a living, right? Like, it's kind of like my job to know sneakers. It's kind of my job to know a little bit of knowledge. I know more than the common person would know. The common person would not know that this was fake. Honestly, the common person wouldn't know that this was fake. I mean, they have a fake autograph here. They got the sticker. Everything that StockX tags or StockX purchases comes with is in this box. So I just want to make sure you guys are being very, very careful when you're buying, not from StockX, obviously, but when you buying from people who say they bought from StockX, it might not be true. Because, hey, look, it's getting to the point where you might want to keep your tags. You might want to keep your paper when you make purchases from StockX and you don't throw them away. Just because if you do buy another shoe from a person who got it from StockX, you can have something to kind of like authenticate it, and even the shoe as well. So I mean, it's just a lot of different ways y'all can go about it. Now hopefully this video was a little bit informative. Like I said, if you watch my videos consistently, then you probably in the sneaker community enough to know that they've been doing it. I said in my last video, I had no idea that they was putting fake StockX stickers and fake StockX tags in shoe boxes. Some of y'all even said that they're putting fake Foot Locker receipts, and I've never heard of none of this. I don't buy fake shoes, and I don't really research too much on what comes with fake shoe packaging. I didn't know they was doing fake Foot Locker receipts and all this crap. That is crazy. So just make sure y'all out here being on y'all P's and Q's. I don't want nobody getting finessed out here, man. If it's too good of a deal, then it is. Always remember, if somebody offering you like an Air Jordan 1 like this for $200, I don't care if they say they baby ain't got no food or they about to get evicted. All those stories, bro. If they baby about to get some, think about it. If they getting evicted, why wouldn't they want the most they can get? Why would they take $200 for a $3,000 shoe? I really get DMs like, hey man, is this shoe legit? So-and-so's only offering me, he only wants $400 for his Off-White DS. Who in the hell gonna offer you, who gonna make you pay $400? A stranger. It'll be different if it's the homie and he looking out, but a stranger is not gonna say, hey, here's an Off-White Jordan 1 DS, $400, I need money. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if this video was informative or if you have any more information that can probably help out somebody else. It'll definitely be helpful. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.